Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to learn how we can design the product page. So I will show you some of the setting, and I have done some coding behind the scene also, and how you can extend it. So if I come to the catalog, which is the category page, we designed it in the previous videos, like a few videos, and this was how it was looking. It is a basic design, but we are going to add more feature to it and JavaScript stuff in the future. For now, if I visit one of the product page, it will navigate me to the products / the handle of the product, and it will show you the product. For you it might not look like this because I did some design. In the sidebar it is going to show you the product description, and here it is going to show you the product images. Currently it is the basic stuff. And where are the settings for this one? As I said, this is the handle, and if you go to the product / handle of any product, you should see something like this, and everything is working fine. Currently I haven't done any JavaScript, so this is just basic of our theme that we had. If I come to the customize page, it works the same way. So where you can add the settings that the end user, for example the client, want to extend it. For example, what the client might say, I don't want to show this share button. You must have an option for that. How you can add those options? They are in the product. If I come to the product page here, I'll show you one of the product example. For example, if I am here I have the product page, and here is the setting, show social sharing icon. It is a bit hard to say, and if you uncheck this one, it should hide this one from here. And this is one setting here, only one setting, but you can have more setting here for the user. For example, how you want to display the add to cart, where you want to display the product. This should be a slider, and how the slider should look like. There are so many things, that possibilities, like related product, that you can give the user. If the user see a lot of options, they are definitely going to buy your theme. But for now, this is the basic example. I'll show you what I have done in the coding. Also, I will show you some of the design and inspiration, like how you can get the design inspiration for the product page. That is very important. You cannot design it from your own and you expect people will like it, because you yourself might not like it if you design it from your brain. But you can get some idea of how you design it. I'll show you where you can get it after I show you the setting. So one of the setting, if you come to the template page, you have a product.liquid. The product.liquid, it is going to reference us to a section. The reason we use section is because in section we can have setting. If I come to my page, the reason you see this section with setting, like social sharing buttons, is because we are using section. It is going to include that. The rest of the code is extra. You don't remove it. What is this code? This is for SEO. If any of the SEO robots like Google robots or Yahoo or any search engine is going to index your product, they are going to index this data, and it is JavaScript and JSON. But this is the way Shopify does for search engine optimization. So it will put the product title here, and it is going to add the product URL, it is going to add the product image and description, and so on and so forth. So you should not remove this one. Let it be there, but you normally do not touch this one. The only thing that you touch is here. If any other page you see the same content, for example, if I come to the index, I don't see anything. In some pages they exist because we generated this one. If you see those code, leave it there, because that is for search engine. Now I will open the section for the product. It is the product.liquid. I normally give it a proper name, like product-template, so I should know this is a template for product. The only design I have added to this one is a container row, and it is going to have two columns. The first column is going to be the image, and the second column is going to be the product description. For the image, we are going to use a slick slider in the next video, but you can add your own slider. In the previous video I show you how you can add the Bootstrap slider in the homepage. That was the simple option. My goal is to teach you how to add something, so I'm not going to use the same slider because you knew how you can add it. So I will use slick slider. Some people request also, so that would be nice. And this is all of this code is available on GitHub. Just check out the video description and you can access this one. I have written a clean code so you can use it later, and I have commented everything you need to know. So for now, if you save everything, this is the only setting you have. Show the product, show share buttons, and if you check out, this is where I have used section the setting. If this is going to be true, by default it is true, it is going to show. Otherwise it is not going to show. Include refer to a snippet. and this is how you can do this one. Of course, this is the basic and it was the default one, but I give it a little bit of Bootstrap design, and this is how it is going to look. Now it is working just fine. If you add a product to the cart, you can add it and it is going to navigate you to the cart page. So it didn't add it to the cart page because we are on the product page, but if I come here, let's give it a try, it will add it to the cart page, and there is something wrong. We will fix this one for now, but if you check your cart, let's see if it works or not. Maybe we have, yeah, our cart is empty, it didn't add it, so there is a little bug on this one, but we will fix that in the future video. For now, this is all the setting. Make sure you add more setting for the user so that they can customize their product page a lot more. Now is the time for the design inspiration. How you can get it and where you can get it. I will show you two websites. The first one is Dribble. I have always said Dribble is not only for designer but for developers also. They are going to search for the design they want. Just create an account, it is free. For example, if I search for the product page here, it is going to give me some product page design. And the second website is Behance. Behance is by Adobe, so you can search for anything you want, behance.net, and they are going to give you some design inspiration. For example, if I search for the product page, this is one of them. Like, it is showing you a lot of example of how the product page should look like, because these designers are really creative. I'll show you some of them. This is one, and I don't know if we have more of this. Sometimes you have to be specific of what you are looking for e-commerce, but you have to search a lot until you find the exact product that you want to display. For example, these one are nice, and based on this you can get your inspiration. So if I check out this one, yeah, it looks nice. It is for e-commerce analytics, not a product page, but some of them are nice. You can check them out. For example, this one is very nice, and this is a product page. Like, people can add to cart, description, price. It is very simple, and this is the slider. You can get the design, and people might like it because they are very creatively designed. That's it. And search for the Behance. I'm not going to search for anything, but this is worth checking out. So you can design your product page, the home page, collection page, cart page, wherever. Just search here in the Behance, in the Dribble and Behance, and get the inspiration design. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and in the next video I will show you how you can add the slick slider. So the product images should be in a slider.